Hey, it's the Tech Corner After Dark. Thank you guys so much for supporting me. I really appreciate it. And sorry for the no video today. I ordered something, and it was supposed to come in today, actually, but instead it's gonna come by Saturday. So, happy Halloween too. And in celebration of Halloween, Spider. You guys are scared now. So for today's video, I'm going to be visiting something that I already looked at. That's the, hold on, let me get it. This thing, the MM700, wait, hold on, yeah, there we go. Okay, that's most of it. Yeah, that's most of it. MM700 extended gaming mousepad, lights up and stuff, and it's from Corsair. So this is a mousepad that has two USB ports, three RGB zones, and it's extended. It's really big, it feels great. And you know, I made a video on this a long time ago, and my other one stopped working for some reason, and it also got really wrinkly. Like, it was really bad. This one isn't as wrinkly, but oh man, it's still a little, it's mostly flat. Okay, I gotta stop hitting my tripod. It's mostly flat. Yeah, I mean, look, the mouse glides along it and stuff, so it's pretty good. It's pretty smooth, and it really matches my setup. The unboxing process was pretty fun. I did buy it secondhand though, and it arrived in a genuine Corsair box, but then it was like beat up. Still, though, it was a nice unboxing experience, and I enjoyed it. So the mouse pad is in great condition, and it works great. You know, let me know down in the comments below if you guys want me to like compare this mouse pad against like the newer Razer Goliathus. You know, the one that has the multi RGB zone, or like the SteelSeries Prism. You know, mouse pads like that. I also have a MM700 or 800 mouse pad over there. That actually sits on top of this mouse pad, so I don't even like entirely use it for gaming, but like, you know, I like pretty lights. But the mouse pad lights up pretty well. It has like built-in lighting functions. It doesn't really you can't store RGB effects on this mouse pad like you can on, I don't know, like this mouse or your computer, you know, the Commander Core XT and stuff like that. You can't store RGB lighting effects on this mouse pad, but it does have some built in. They're pretty simple. You press a button on the back and it's like color changing, then color pulse, color wave, I think, stuff like that. It looks pretty cool, but I just like the fact that everything is in sync. Like it's the main reason why I like Corsair products. Everything is in sync. You know, that's the entire reason why I purchased Corsair products to begin with, because everything is synced together. Like having the Razer charging pad and having the Razer motherboard, that genuinely like kind of irks me a little bit because it's not synced up, but those are going to be changing soon. I'm going to get an Asus motherboard later on in the future if Asus would stop giving me issues with warranty and RMA. But, you know, first time trying out ASRock, that's cool. Anyways, again, sorry for the late upload. It's that a genuine video will be out Saturday. I will be posting another video tomorrow, another, you know, After Dark. And thank you for supporting me. I'll see you guys in the next one.